What's the meaning of béchamel? Béchamel. Béchamel.
Béchamel. Béchamel. Béchamel is a classic French white sauce made from butter, flour, and milk. The butter is first melted in a saucepan, then flour is added to create a roux. Milk is slowly whisked into the roux until the mixture thickens and becomes a creamy, smooth sauce. The resulting béchamel has a rich, velvety texture and a subtle, nutty flavor. It is a versatile sauce that can be used as a base for many dishes, such as macaroni and cheese, lasagna, and gratins. Béchamel is one of the 5 mother sauces in French cuisine and is a fundamental component of many dishes in Western gastronomy.